Welcome to the NucleusXR training platform. This is our Human Anatomy series, a set of immersive modules designed for deep study and teaching. In here, you can explore the human anatomy in ways that only virtual reality allows, in true spatial 3D. From the powerful muscular system to the skeletal framework that supports it, the connective tissues that bind it, the cardiovascular system that supplies it with life force, the nervous system that commands it, the respiratory system that breathes life into it, the digestive system that fuels it, the urinary system that refines it, and the reproductive system that carries our species forward. You can hover over any structure to see its formal anatomical name and a transparent highlight that reveals what's behind it. You can then select the structure to populate its information panel and spawn a detached model that allows you to grab, rotate, and scale for up-close inspection. The info panel brings relevant information into view, from quick facts to deeper descriptions and physiology. Every structure is documented with a wealth of knowledge to explore. Anatomy goes far deeper than what we can see on the surface. With Nucleus, you can toggle layers on and off to reveal underlying structures. For example, if we want to study the intercostal muscles around the rib cage, we can hide a few of the back muscles to open a clear view. While you can always study solo, with NucleusXR, these modules aren't just interactive, they're shared. Starting an online session is effortless, so teams and classrooms can step into the same space and study the same structures together in real time.